Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta Venkatesh Bhat. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons butter in a pan, sauté 2 cloves garlic until fragrant, and add 2 tablespoons flour to form a roux. Slowly whisk in 2 cups milk until smooth, simmer until thickened, then stir in 1 cup grated cheese and cooked pasta. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for warmth. Start by making a proper roux. Melt butter, add flour, and cook briefly to remove raw taste. Whisk in cold milk slowly while stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Simmer the mixture gently until it thickens to coat a spoon, then remove from heat and fold in grated cheese for creaminess. Adjust seasoning with salt, white pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for balanced flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find it helpful. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep creamy pasta fresh and spill-free, perfect for packed lunches or storing leftovers. I like them for portioning and reheating without mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Cook pasta until just shy of done so it finishes in the sauce. Reserve 1 cup pasta water. Add the drained pasta to the sauce and toss gently, adding small amounts of pasta water to reach desired consistency. Warm through on low heat to let flavors marry and the sauce cling to each strand. Garnish with chopped herbs and a little extra grated cheese for brightness and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.